competition, but you can definitely outwork and out-obsess the competition. I've been thinking for a very long time what to do with this video, 402 days to be exact. And after thinking about it, I didn't want to just do the typical donut stunts gimmicks. I didn't want to flex on everyone. That'll come. I wanted to inspire all of you in a way that I've been inspired. We shot the global Corvette commercial, putting the world on notice, of summer of last year. Then, a few months back, I was lucky enough to be able to get a Z06 press car early. I think the videos speak for themselves. But I couldn't be happier with how good the car was.
Oh my god, I'm taking the Lamborghini! This walking the Lamborghini!
Undoubtedly, the bar has been raised. This car was the result of an obsession to make the best performing platform possible. My C8 and I have done a lot together, from product development, testing, road trips, track days, world records, and more world records. I know my Stingray in and out, and when I got the car, I became obsessed with making it faster, better, and breaking world records. At the end of the day, there's always going to be someone who has things come easier. I can't control that, but I know I can outwork and out-obsess the competition. I think that's why Chevrolet and I get along. 70 years, 8 generations later, they just kept being obsessed with making the best car possible. Now the only thing left to do is to keep pushing, keep working hard, keep having fun, and most importantly, keep obsessing. And maybe, just maybe, one day too, you can also put the world on notice. Nice to finally meet you in person.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good.
You ready to see the car?
Oh, you know it.
Oh, it's amazing. It's
I'm
cool.
so excited.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This has been number 28?
28.
I've been wanting to go get this car. I haven't been able to because one, I've been shooting Gran Turismo in Hungary, and then two, when I got back, I got sick. But she's here. You guys have kept her wrapped for me. So when my friend Stradman took delivery of his Stingray a couple of years ago, I saw that he had actually unboxed it, and it's something that I've been wanting to do since I saw that. And I thought it would be fun, one, given the time of year, and two, because of the Chevrolet commercial, I had wanted to do the same car that I shot with at the time, and that was the silver flare metallic with the dipped red interior. Well, I changed my mind, and I wanted to do something more of a tribute to Phoenix, my twin-turbo C8 Corvette. So right now we are going to unbox the Z06 so that you guys too can see the color for the very first time.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's do it.
Okay. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it's been raining quite a bit this holiday season. But thanks to today's sponsor, my feet have been staying toasty and dry. I'm sure you can all relate. You've just woken up, first coffee of the day in hand, and you're thinking, what's going on my feet today? Well, Vessi's got your back because not only are their everyday sneakers lightweight and comfortable, Vessi's are 100% waterproof and will keep your toesies dry in the wettest of weather. It's a beautiful rainy day today, so that meant I had to wear my Vessi's because they're waterproof and comfy and stylish. You guys can literally see on my pants how they're wet. Socks, dry. The pair of Vessi's that I personally own are the Cityscape Classics. I picked these out, these are the ones I like. I always love white shoes, but they're so hard to keep clean, so that's why I'm rocking Vessi's in all white. But these kicks aren't just for the cold. Thanks to their dual climate knit material, you're going to be staying warm in the winter and keeping cool in the summer. I've been wearing Vessi's on walks with Uni, and she's been having such a blast. Vessi, if you're watching this, I'd love to get a pair of Vessi's for Uni too. Vessi's are the perfect gift under the tree and for your feet. So check out their holiday sale at vessi.com/Amelia and get the style and size you want now before they sell out. And if you've missed the sale, no worries. Just use code Amelia at checkout for 15% off your entire order. Now, let's get back to the video. Amplify orange! Let's keep unwrapping the Z06 and then let me explain. It's like an early Christmas. Look at this! Ah, this color! The Amplify orange looks so good, especially in the sun right now. And you guys might notice that this is the same orange as what is wrapped on Phoenix right now. My 3LZ Z06, and I had to do the sky cool gray interior with the GT2 seats. I really wanted that all white looking interior. Take a look at that, the Alcantara on the roof, the white accents, the white everything. This looks so good. Originally, when I was going to do the Solar Flare Metallic Z06, I had wanted to do it with the adrenaline dipped red interior, and I could have still done the red with the orange, but once I did the orange, I was like, you know, I have to do kind of like the reverse of what Phoenix is, how she's white with the orange stripes. I had to do orange with the white interior, and you guys already know I'm gonna be doing the white stripes as well. I know everyone does this when they get their car. They always take off the plastic. For me, I gotta do it too. Look at that. I haven't even paid for the car yet. I should probably go pay for the car first and then start removing things. We'll never know. We'll just put it back for now. It is time to sign the paperwork so I can finally drive this off the lot. Then they'll give me the key to the car, which means I can do my very first cold start on the Z06. But I guess I gotta go pay for the car now. You guys know how it is. You show up, you usually have to sign a check of some sort. But this is how much the total cost is going to be costing me at the end of the day. $152,015. This is the most expensive car I've ever purchased. This is more expensive than my Ferrari 458. This is more expensive than the down payment I put on in order to finance my home. This right here is the most expensive purchase that I've ever made in my entire life. And it's going all to you.
Not me.
I know. And look who
Merry
joined
Chrysler.
me.
What's up?
Hey, so
Nice
Sean
car.
was in the area visiting family for the holidays, so I said, why don't we meet me at the dealership? We'll road trip a little bit.
I haven't got to drive one yet, so.
Calm down, calm down. I haven't even signed the paperwork yet. You're already asking me to drive the car. Sorry, before walking in, I just wanted to show this. So this is freaking cool.
Oh, it's cool, right?
Tailgate of a Silverado bed as a bench.
Yeah, a customer gave that to us.
Oh, really?
He makes them and gifted it to us.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah. You guys will never believe this. Right as I signed the check for the Z06, I just got an email that the next car, remember there was going to be 3, now there's 2. The next car has arrived. It's in transit right now. That means the next episode, if not the one after, we may be taking delivery of another vehicle. Can you guess what it is? I don't think you guys will guess it. I don't think you'll know. Getting out of here.
Thank you.
Really appreciate everything.
Yeah.
And obviously you guys know the dealership. You guys know who he is. I'm gonna link in the information in the description below anyways, in case you ever want to buy a Corvette.
Appreciate it.
You guys had several early allocations that no other dealership in America had the opportunity to get. So you guys are the Corvette
Cool.
guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Cool.
I'm the proud owner of a brand new 2023 Corvette Z06. Here at Whitmore Auto for helping us try to protect the paint by using the plastic cover that the dealerships actually use on the carpet. This will help preserve as much as possible while we do the long trek home. Now we're gonna get inside the Z06 and immediately foot on the brake. Oh, look at that. I finally got to capture this opportunity. For the Stingray, I never got to capture the dash display that pops up. It says it is 49 degrees here. It feels more like the 20s. Thankfully, this has seat warmers. This has a steering wheel warmer that the car already turned on knowing that it is cold. And we got a good drive ahead of us. I usually say always drive in track mode, but one thing Chevrolet did, they called me to tell me, yes, we know 500 miles is the break-in. We recommend 1500 for track use, but they called me to be like, Amelia, we recommend 1500 for the track use. So please don't do donuts or do any high RPM redlining until the 1500. And I said, okay. So that means this car is 9 miles as I bought her. As promised, I'll wait till the 15. From Mount Joy, Pennsylvania, our first destination is going to be Dayton, Ohio. Let's see how long it's gonna take to get there. If we leave right now, 6 hours and 25 minutes, which means we'll probably arrive at around 10:30 p.m. And with me driving, a little sooner. I didn't film pulling out of the dealership because everyone was standing at the window watching me, and I was like, this can't be it. I can't make one of those videos where a car spins pulling out of a lot. But as I was pulling out of the lot, it is so cold, the tires are so cold that the car literally got a little sideways. And I'm just glad I had 2 hands on the wheel when that happened. I'll tell you what, on the road, when the tires warm up, I'll give her a little juice, but right now I think I need to take it easy. Driving through a tunnel right now. Sean is on a phone call. Sean, I'm very sorry, but it's a tunnel, so I gotta do it. Put in track mode. Oh my god, okay, I know I said I was getting on it, but it's so hard, I just gotta... I had to do a little bit. I had to do a little. I'm not getting on it. Chevy, don't get mad at me, it's just a baby one. And it's starting to rain, the rain. The windows are going up, we're getting out of track mode. 100 miles. They grow up so fast. And 200. I forgot how good it is to have a front lift. Oh, that's not good. God, thank God it's not snowing. This driveway would be very tough to get up right now with these tires. Our first gas station stop is out of Sunoco. The car actually matches the color of the pumps, but they grow up so fast. First 100 miles, then 200. Now gas station stop, and soon abuse. And you guys, because we're not in California anymore, we got 93 octane gas. Oh, it feels so good to finally see that for a change. Let's fire her up. Full tank of gas. Oh my God, that's warm with a stock exhaust. Oh, we gotta go. Okay, we gotta go. Thank you, Chevy.
Proceed to the highlighted road.
Proceeding to highlighted route. Okay, let's go. I almost didn't film what's about to happen, you guys. I almost didn't do. We're going to KFC for dinner.
Are you guys vlogging?
Yeah?
Awesome.
Oh, thank you. I like that t-shirt. Where'd you get that?
I stole it.
He did. Well, the small town here of Washington, Pennsylvania will forever have my heart. Everyone has been so sweet. What a great dinner. They gave me a couple free waters for the road trip. Back on the road we go. Shout out to anyone from the city of Washington here in Pennsylvania. It sounds so good. It sounds so good, and I just realized there's plastic in this that, well, there's no sense keeping that on
Please
there.
proceed to the highlighted
Stop
road.
yelling at me. Oh, that's fresh. All right. I think the tires are warm. Well, the red line is so much slower. I can't even let her open up yet until the 500 miles. Ah, that's all right. That is all right. 246 miles. And we have 229 miles till our destination, which means we might not even hit the 500 break-in mile limit until tomorrow. Man, tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Just wait. Find it here, Ohio! We are inside you! Well, we have made it to Columbus, Ohio. We didn't make it all the way yet to Dayton. Dayton's about an hour drive west. We're gonna pause for the night. I wanna upload a video for you guys, so we're gonna call it a night here. The Z06 is finally here. And this actually held up really good. What a brilliant idea this was. I'm so excited for all the plans that we have in store. Fun fact, this was the second Amplify Orange C8 Z06 ever produced. The first person with the production Amplify Orange Z06 was Rick Hendrick. So I've been told, I can't confirm, but based on the information I have, which is pretty freaking cool. If you don't know who that is, Hendrick is the one who purchased the first Z06 in a cellar at Yellow. I believe that went for a beautiful $3.6 million. But it's time for me to go to sleep. Before I do, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing another holiday apparel collection. That's right, we're doing another Return to Life, the brown with the light brown. And if you can see it, I'll put a photo of it here. I love it. Sean was wearing the white tee. I think this is gonna go really fast, but I wanted to have something for those who missed out on the Black Friday, who wanted to be able to get some apparel to give out to friends to keep themselves for the upcoming holidays, and also just to show your girls some love and support. We spend a lot of time on the apparel. We wanna make sure it's perfect for you guys at home, and it's something that we feel co-rocking, that also supports a good message as well. This message is mental health is health. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye! Instead of Merry Chrysler, we're gonna start saying Merry Corvette.